Welcome to the Google Analytics Tracking Code tutorial, a comprehensive guide to help you understand and implement Google Analytics on your website. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that helps you track and analyze website traffic, providing valuable insights to improve your online presence. To start, you need to create a Google Analytics account and set up a new property. This will generate a unique tracking ID, which is used to identify your website. The tracking code, also known as the Google Analytics tag, is a small JavaScript code that you need to add to every page of your website. The Google Analytics tracking code is typically installed in the head section of your website's HTML, just before the closing head tag. This code is responsible for tracking user interactions, such as page views, clicks, and conversions. It works by sending data to Google Analytics servers, which then processes and stores the data for analysis. To install the tracking code, you can use the Google Tag Manager, a free tool that simplifies the process of adding and managing tags on your website. Alternatively, you can manually add the code to your website's HTML. Make sure to replace the tracking ID with your own ID to ensure accurate tracking. Best practices for implementing the Google Analytics tracking code include using the asynchronous code for faster page loading, avoiding duplicate tracking codes, and testing the code to ensure it is working correctly. You should also use the Google Analytics debugging tool to verify that data is being sent to Google Analytics. In addition to the basic tracking code, you can also set up event tracking to monitor specific user interactions, such as form submissions or button clicks. This requires adding additional code to the elements you want to track, using the Google Analytics event tracking syntax. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively implement the Google Analytics tracking code on your website and start gaining valuable insights into your website traffic and user behavior. This will help you make data-driven decisions to improve your website and online marketing strategies.